Welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore our backup from Google Drive. All right. To be able to restore it, first up, go ahead and open up your Google Drive. Right here, as you can see, as you might remember, you have created a backup, requested one, or downloaded it yourself. And it will look like this. All right. The Drive download. Now, to be able to restore the files and upload it back to Google Drive, just go ahead and right click on it and go to WinRAR. It could be 7-zip if you have it. All right. If you don't know how to install it, go ahead and go to your favorite browser and look for WinRAR or 7-zip. Right here, just go ahead and click on the download pages right here and continue with the installation process, as it will be quick. Now, once done, you'll be able to see that your RAR files or zip files will have an icon like this. Now just go ahead and right click on it and hit on WinRAR right here and hit on extract here or extract files. All right, let's go ahead and click on extract files. Now I'm going to go ahead and select desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder, and it will be named the same with the RAR file. All right, I'm just going to hit on OK. And when I open it up, here are my backup. Okay, now to be able to restore it to your Google Drive, just go ahead and open up both the folder and the drive itself. Now in the drive, I'm just going to create a folder right here. As you can see, the files right here are similar. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on new folder and restored. I'm going to rename it restored. Create, wait for it. Here we have our restored folder. I'm going to double click on it. Now I'm just going to select all right, or press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, then drag and drop right there. As you can see, just wait for it to finish. It's almost done and the upload is complete. That's basically how you do it. You can go ahead and delete this folder if you want to. All right. If not, just go ahead and save it to a safe place. This one, you're not going to be needing this, as the same files are still in this particular zip. All right. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.